In this skill, we're going to be figuring out the results of a decay series. A decay series is when an atom undergoes a series of multiple decays in a row. So here we're starting with polonium-216. It then undergoes alpha decay, then beta decay, then alpha decay, and then beta decay again. So 4 decays in a row. And our goal is to figure out what atom do we end up with. So to do this, we're going to have to think about what happens in different types of decay. So in alpha decay, we're emitting an alpha particle, which remember has 2 protons and 2 neutrons. So that's an atomic number of 2 and a mass number of 4. So if we're emitting an alpha particle, we're going to have to subtract 4 from our mass number and subtract 2 from our atomic number. Then for beta decay, remember beta is an electron, so it has 0 on the top and -1 on the bottom. And in beta decay, a neutron turns into a proton. So we're actually gaining 1 to our atomic number, and our mass number actually stays the same because the mass number is the protons and neutrons put together, and a neutron turned into a proton, so the total number is the same, even though our atomic number has gained 1. Then we have gamma decay. Remember, gamma is a high-speed electromagnetic wave, so it has no atomic number and no mass number. So that has no effect on our mass number or on our atomic number. Okay, so we're starting with polonium-216, and we have alpha decay happening first. Alpha decay means we lose 4 from our mass number, so 216 minus 4 is 212, and we're going to lose 2 from our atomic number. 84 minus 2 is 82. So there's our next atom. Let's head to our periodic table to figure out which atom that is. Here's our atomic number of 82. That is lead, which has a symbol Pb. So that's the product of our first decay. Next, we have a beta decay occurring. So looking at our table here, our mass number is going to stay the same, but our atomic number is going to +1. So we had 82, now it's going to be 83. Let's head to our reference sheet to see what has atomic number 83. Here it is. It's bismuth, which has the symbol Bi. Then we have another alpha decay happening. So -4 on our mass number. It was 212, now it's going to be 208. And our atomic number is -2. It was 83, now it's going to be 81. Let's head to our reference sheet to find out which atom has an atomic number 81. Here it is. It's thallium, which has the symbol Tl. So there we have thallium. Finally, we have another beta decay. So our mass number stays the same. It's still going to be 208. Our atomic number adds 1, and that's going to be 82. So heading back to our reference sheet again, 82 we already saw is lead, Pb. Awesome. So we know we ended up with lead, the symbol Pb, and we know our atomic mass was 208, which is what goes after the name here. So you can see in these questions, you just need to look at what type of decay is happening each step and make the relevant changes to the mass number and the atomic number. Then use your periodic table to figure out which element we have each time.